Welcome. This video will guide you through using voice commands in your Tesla Model Y for navigation, climate control, and media. Tesla's voice command system uses advanced AI for near-natural conversations, so you can keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. We'll cover everything from basic commands to advanced features. To activate the voice command system, simply say, "Hey Tesla," or press the steering wheel button. The system processes your requests using onboard GPUs, prioritizing your privacy. Most data remains local, but anonymized telemetry helps Tesla improve the system's performance. A microphone icon will appear on screen to indicate the system is listening. Make sure to speak clearly. Use voice commands for seamless navigation in your Tesla Model Y. Simply say, "Navigate to destination," or "Find a route avoiding tolls." Tesla's system leverages built-in maps and GPS, providing voice-guided turn-by-turn directions. You can also ask for parking spots or specific locations with ratings. Say, "Find a parking spot near location," or "Navigate to the nearest coffee shop with good ratings," which integrates data from services like Yelp for real-time suggestions. Adjust your car's climate settings hands-free. Use phrases such as "Set temperature to 70 degrees," "Turn on the seat heaters," or "Cool the cabin for the kids in the back." The system autonomously adjusts HVAC settings, even prioritizing rear vents based on your command. Ensure cabin comfort by simply stating your needs. Tesla's voice command system lets you control media playback entirely by voice, keeping your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Simply say commands like "Play song artist on Spotify" or "Tune to radio station" to start your favorite tracks or stations. The system integrates seamlessly with popular streaming services, including Spotify, Apple Music, and TuneIn. You can easily switch between podcasts, change tracks, or adjust the volume without ever touching the touchscreen. For example, just say, "Play the next episode of Serial" to continue your podcast seamlessly. Tesla's voice system features advanced capabilities that go beyond basic commands. It understands contextual requests and allows you to chain multiple actions in a single command. For instance, you can say, "Navigate to home and play my favorite playlist," and the system will execute both actions seamlessly. Over time, the system learns your preferences and adapts its responses based on your driving history, making interactions more personalized. It can even provide proactive suggestions, like reminding you of upcoming appointments or suggesting routes you've taken before. Additionally, the system integrates with smart home devices, allowing commands that extend beyond the vehicle, such as "Preheat the oven at home." These advanced features create a more personalized and intuitive experience, enhancing safety and convenience while driving. For the best voice command experience, speak clearly and at a normal volume. Position yourself close to the vehicle's microphone to ensure your words are captured accurately. Avoid mumbling or speaking too quickly, as this can lead to misinterpretation. Avoid using voice commands in noisy environments. Background noise from traffic, passengers, or loud music can interfere with the system's ability to recognize your words accurately. For better results, try your commands in quieter settings. If the system misinterprets your command, don't repeat the exact same phrase. Try rephrasing it using different words or a simpler structure. For example, instead of "Navigate to the coffee shop with good reviews," you might say, "Find a highly rated coffee place nearby." Keep your Tesla's software up to date. The company releases quarterly patch updates that address common voice command issues and improve recognition accuracy. Check for updates in the vehicle's settings menu. For features that require streaming services or real-time data, such as navigation with live traffic or media playback, ensure you have a stable internet connection. This could be through cellular data or Wi-Fi. If commands fail, check your connection status. Voice command technology in Tesla is constantly evolving, leveraging advanced AI from full self-driving capabilities to support near-natural conversations and hands-free operation. Expect even deeper AI integration with proactive suggestions based on your calendar data and driving history, adapting responses to your preferences over time. Voice commands will expand to control smart home devices, enabling seamless integration with your ecosystem through partnerships with companies like Amazon and Google. Voice commands may eventually enable fully autonomous driving cues. allowing you to request takeovers or breaks, enhancing safety and convenience. Stay tuned for future updates that will make your Tesla experience even more seamless and intuitive, with quarterly patches improving accuracy and adding new features.